Understanding the phrase, "I can't stomach it." Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, "I can't stomach it." This phrase is a great example of how English uses physical sensations to describe emotional or mental reactions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, "I can't stomach it," they're not talking about their diet or physical health. Instead, they're expressing a strong feeling of disgust, intolerance, or inability to endure something. It's as if the idea or situation is so unpleasant that their stomach turns at the thought of it, metaphorically speaking. To help you grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Movies with a lot of violence. I tried watching that new horror movie, but I just can't stomach the gore and violence. 2. Unfair situations. Seeing people treated unfairly in the workplace is something I can't stomach. 3. Certain foods, but in a metaphorical sense. Even the thought of betraying a friend is something I can't stomach. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, not just related to food. "I can't stomach it" can be a powerful way to express your feelings about something that deeply bothers you. It's more evocative than simply saying, "I don't like it," or "I disagree." Here are a few tips on using it. Use it when you want to emphasize your strong negative reaction to something. It's perfect for informal conversations, but think twice before using it in very formal settings. Pair it with specific reasons why something makes you feel that way to make your statement more impactful. And that's a wrap on "I can't stomach it." This phrase is a vivid way to express your aversion or deep displeasure towards something. We hope this video has made the meaning clear and shown you how to use it effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.